Mzito, welcome to Mkosi Nomagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzito. It's about the show that is called Isencane Lengane idlala kuMoja Love channel 157 every Saturday, guys. So the show has been playing. I think it started we born on our TV screens. I think if not 5 years back, I think 4, because the time we first knew of these kids, guys, Usiacela, no time, I think they were 16, because both of them were school and they were young and innocent. So it was very interesting, even though I think Sabantu, we took time to notice this thing is wrong, because they were 15 and 16, if I'm not mistaken, and the baby shada whereby Luciacela wakhiphela ubabakhe amalobolo kuthiwa usiyacela noThando usiyacela wazicelela nje ukuthi ufuna ukushada uThando, and they were young. So abantu abaningi, guys, there were people who were very concerned about Uthando because she was very young. And I mean, another thing that I noticed now, back then it was nje show ngifuna ukubona kuzoyenzakalani bayophelela phi. The young back then uSiyacela was very innocent, bangabonakali nje umntana odelelayo, bokubona ngathi umntana omncane ozithobile osontayo omamela ubabakhe, kanti asimazi ukuthi lo muntu lo uyadelela. So mina I think into enginothisa manje, even i-background kaThando i-played a huge role ukuthi uThando avume lapha. Remember kibo siyacela baba siyacela bokumfundisa uBishop odumile endaweni onobandla, unenkomo, unesithembu, unomuzi omkhulu emakhaya nemizindle eningi, amakhosikazi wakhe baphila kahle, babona baphila kahle. And if ubukela into from a distance, awubazi ubuhlungu nobunzima lamakhosikazi andlula kubo, awuzazi izimo amakhosikazi andlula kubo, because umuntu mandlu endleleni agezile smart kuneyimoto lapho uyakhona, sicabanga as abantu uphila kamnandi, understand. But now if usibukela ishow, you'll see that even lamakhosikazi, the behavior kaSiyacela icishe ifana nabo bakhe, ngoba bathi nayo bababo wayebashaya. There's a time even uSiyacela uke washo ukuthi akwenithule nani ubaba wayenishaya nanithula. That means this behavior uSiyacela noma ngabe abantu bangayivikela bayithini uyithatha kubabakhe, guys. So just wanted to talk about the episode edlala izolo eyenza ukuthi abantu abaningi to say Isencane Lengane should be cancelled. And this is not the first time sithi Isencane Lengane must be cancelled. Last year whereby we saw ukuthi uSiyacela uyamshaya uThando, and as a country that we are against GBV, guys, but a lot of people, I was one of those people abathi mayizi petition and let us sign ukuthi mayiphele le show. We cannot ukuthi sibukele umuntu indoda ishaya umfazi on national TV, and esithule as abantu base South Africa, and esithule as abomama, and esithule as abantu besimame nje as a whole. It is wrong, it's a wrong thing ne. But yesterday ke uSiyacela engathi uyiphindile ngathi engathi uyiphindile into yakhe, because into esingayibonanga uSiyacela noThando they had a conversation ebusuku kwakhona whereby uSiyacela utshela uThando ukuthi you know what, nginentombi mina, intombi le ngahlangana nayo isese virgin and ngathatha ubuntombi bayo, so kubo sebathi kumele ngiyohlawula. So mina ngicabanga ukumlobola le ntombi le beyenza ugrade 12 last year, iseyise college. So kubo sebathi ngiyohlawula, if angihlawuli bazongibizela amaphoyisa, because when I met this girl le ntombi bokuyi virgin, and uSiyacela has been saying ukuthi ufuna isithembu, guys. This is not a new thing, and I understand ukuthi uThando uhlaleleni, and I don't wanna like, guys, mhlambe kwabanye abantu ngavele ezifu angi-understand or anginazo, but ngifila ngathi uThando naye indlela ahleli ngayo ucomfortable. Even so i-TikTok video yakhe abhale ukuthi yena ngeke ayoshonela kibo uyobekezela, it's a song. But I think unalento lena ukuthi kumele ahlale, and into emhethayo kakhulu kulamshado ukuthi uSiyacela uyacheat. It's not ukuthi uSiyacela uyamshaya, it's not like uSiyacela uyamhlukumeza verbally, no. Uhlukunyezwa ukuthi uSiyacela uthi ufuna ukuthatha omunye unkosikazi. So uSiyacela mangayistop into enkulu ukuthi athathe unkosikazi abhekane naye ngco, mhlambe amjolele or amshaye kuphela, I don't think uzoyibona into ngoba even on the previous season of Isencane Lengane, a lot of viewers, they were so angry. uThando makakhuluma indaba Siyacela uthe angathi bakasho nje ukuthi akamshayi kakhulu or umshaya wrong, akamshayi nje, but you could see ukuthi lento okushaya I understand ukuthi it's a wrong thing, into engamelanga iyenzakala kuye. And ishow I think ifail uThando lapho, ngoba ishow bomele thatha uThando imise kuma therapist or bazama ukutholela uThando usizo. uThando azobona ukuthi this thing is wrong, because akekho omunye umuntu evulele uThando uSiyacela icala ngaphandle kaThando. Let's just understand that thing. Akekho omunye umuntu ungathi ngavuka ukuthi asithi you know what, so vula icase, but uThando mangafuna ukuvula icase ezena umuntu oshayo ayikho into soyenza. Yesterday ke uSiyacela bazalwa mzithi bakaphethe sambok indlela uThando bekakhala ngayo athi ngifuna ozokhuluma nje ngegama lami. uThando angithi akafuna ukubikela abomama istory ukuthi nangi phela usiyacela sekathi songicela imali ngibuyele ekhaya. Wabambisa impoko umfana wathi ozothi nje siyacela ngizodila naye ngale nduku. Bonke bathula. This shows ukuthi bonke bayamsaba lo mntwana. Akekho noyone uthe mina ngizokhuluma ngegama lakho ngifuna ungishaye ngizokubophisa kubo bona labo mama. And I feel as if usiyacela uyabalaya labo mama laba. And labo mama nabo bayathula because they know usiyacela akusumntana wabo. Ngabe mhlawumbe uzacela bakano mama ekhophilayo bekazovela athi ngizokhuluma ngegama lakho ngifuna ungishaye sacela ngiyokubophisa uyokalala nentanga zakho. And ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi amadoda wale Lwindi amsaba usiyacela no ngifuna ukwazi amsaba usiyacela or they don't see anything wrong enza usiyacela. So yesterday uThando bambambela isambhoke ke indlela bekakhala ngayo guys ngizwishaya la enhlizweni. I don't watch that show, I no longer watch that show, so ngibona itrend and ku TikTok ama clips akhona bewagcwele, so ngathi ngeke ngibukele lezo. I do not watch that show since nje ngafunga last year ngathi anyeke ngiphinde ngibukele the show. Yathi nje mayibuya I saw ukuthi you know what Imoja Love is making money and then nathi abantu sayibukela. I think as South African the only thing esingayenza ukuthi let's just stop watching this show and sibone ukuthi basazochubeka idlale seyinganabantu abayibukelayo. Imoja Love sazochubeka yenza imali ngalo buhlungu balo mntana abantu. Then guys, on the comment section I saw a very interesting comment. Someone commented ukuthi yes we are seeing le show my stop, but le show my stopper will the abuse izostopa now, uzostopa usiyacela ukushaya uThando just because ishow ayisaveli. Because remember this is a reality show, that means it's a reality yakaThando, into eyenzeka empilweni yakhe. It's not something that is staged. And indlela usiyacela makabathusa ngayo bathuka bonke ngayo, you could see ukuthi into ekhona, you understand. So ngayibona ngayihlala ngayicabanga ngathi no, this person ukhuluma iqiniso as saying my stop le show that won't help uThando. I think now into besingayicela the owner of Imoja Love ukuthi atholele uThando usizo, and someone afaka umqondo engqondweni kaThando kuyobophiswa nomfana. And if I'm not a lawyer guys, if kuyakhonakala ukuthi uyakwazi umuntu ukuboshiswa mhlambe ifamily yakwazi ukubophisa umuntu, labo mama mabayobophisa usiyacela guys. Let's just be honest, usiyacela ke kashe imoto yakhe washo on national TV ukuthi ufise ngathi le moto ngabe ishini unkosikazi wakhe. So sisafuna ukubona mhla sokuthiwa justice for Thando, khani sizothi khani Imoja Love izocala it this thing is wrong. I don't know, I don't understand. But ke and another thing guys, what mina ngifundayo from the show, yabo lento le ukuthi sivume ukuthi abantwana bashade babancane, then we are saying uzikhethele. Yabona mina la kami nje ngifuna nje ukucamba mangeke yenza ngalento le ngoba uzothi umntwana uzikhethele kanti umntwana ufika la abantwana bayakhula and in most cases labantwana they grow apart. Noma ngaba nyaka mhlukumeze nje ngosiyacela, but kuzoba khona nje inhlobonyana yokuhlukumeza, more especially if la madoda lawa athi njengoba umntana amayohlala lapha anyeke afunde anyeke asebenze uyosetshenzelwa yilo mfana. So obvious that means impilo yalo mfana iyachubeka yeye umntana wakho imile guys. So I even saw that comment, someone saying lento isifundisa ukuthi getting married umisa impilo yakho ngoba uThando naye mayenye into mhlambe semzisa ubuhlungu ukuthi the girlfriend abayoyithatha le bathi yohlala kibo mama siyacela ise college, ugogo kasiyacela beg uThando guys, even though bangayisho ngendlela right ukuthi hamba esikoleni uyofunda ungaphiki nalo muntu. Ngabe uThando wamamela ugogo wakhe, ngabe uhamba yo rewrite matric. uThando is not the first person of fail matric. Sinabantu abaningi abafail matric ba rewrite matric kwabo bahambe ba university bafunde babe right. NoThando bokuzenza the same story, bekazoyenza bakazobe esikoleni abhale matric wakhe apass aye college or aye school aye university impilo yakhe ibichuba alokahleli nalo baba ukuthi mase ukuhlukana nje kuye nale stupid sakhe impilo yakhe yazi ukuthi at least I have something. So manje uzohamba buyele kubo kwalendlu ayakhe ngale mali le bekayihola from Imoja Love anyaka akwazi ukuyikhuka unfortunately angathatheke lawo makhabethe and if furniture is something guys echinchayo ne something ephukayo. So I understand ukuthi uThando kulomshado ophuma ngana next into ukuthi uyophuma sekaphethe umntwana no matric no matric of no matric amfailile ngapha usayoqala kabusha kanti kuyoba ngcono ngabe uye wathi ukuzikhuphula wakha nakubo, which is something I don't think usayicela bakazoyivuma ngoba bathi imali yakhe usayicela yena uyayidla bese imali kaThando yiyo emele isapote lapha kaDlamuka. Guys, yiningi into yakaDlamuka and ibuhlungu bani. Mina all I'm asking for the owner of Moja Love nje neqhubeka kaMoja Love, sicela bafunele uThando usizo, sicela bafunele umuntu ozofaka umqondo engcondweni kaThando and make her understand what is happening. It's wrong, indaba yesithembu yesi-wrong, but-ke e-wrong kakhulu yile ukuthi lo muntu lo yena akakwazi ukusho imizwa yakhe just because lo muntu makasho imizwa uzomshaya. But bazalwane, so please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.